Everyone, I hope you all are very good and watching these sessions regularly. And here in this session, we are going to convert lowercase letters, or you can say that lowercase string to uppercase string, right? Lowercase to uppercase string. So for that, what I can do, we can just start writing from char and a character string. And let's say I am creating 100 byte of memory for it. You can create as many as you want, right? And I am declaring just one integer variable naming I. After that, a simple printf statement I am passing, and the purpose is very easy, that user interface should be easy. It means that user should have to know that what to do on the next step. So I am just writing here, enter any lowercase string, right? So we can ask user that they can just input any lowercase string, and we can read them using gets function and the name of a string like that, right? After that, after reading that particular string that is entered by user, what we can do, we need to check this time, right? And we need to iterate also. So we can use simple for loop function for I equals to 0, that is the initialization, and this time I need to iterate up to the null character of that string. So s of I, that is that particular string character of I, does not equals to become null, correct? Up to that I need to iterate and post increment operator. After that, if in that condition, what it is going to do, it is going to, this for loop is going to iterate that particular string one character by one character, and in meanwhile I need to check that if any particular indexing of that string is either greater than or equals to character A, correct? And that and that particular string character indexing should also be less than or equals to Z, because lowercase characters ASCII value would be lie between the range of this A to Z, you know, right? If this is so, if this is so, then what we need to do, we are going to convert it into uppercase. So uppercase ASCII values are having lower, that is somewhat 65 to something, and lowercase is having like 92 to something or 97 to something, likewise that, right? So there is a difference of 32. So what we can do, s of I, we are assigning some new value to s of I, that is s of I equals to s of I minus 32, because the difference of ASCII values between any particular characters lowercase and uppercase is 32. So if I am going to subtract it like that, it is going to convert that particular character into its uppercase character, and it is going to iterate up to complete string. So that particular complete string would be converted into uh, uppercase, right? And thereafter we can just put simple printf function, and in that particular printf function we can write, right, what we can write, uppercase, or we can write the conversion of percent s, the conversion of percent s into uppercase is percent, the conversion of percent s. Okay, so what we can do, we can just write it like that. the uppercase conversion is %s, and directly I can just put the string name, that is s. Okay, so what we can do, just remove it and let's try to debug it. Okay, 20, line number 20, what they are saying, expectation declaration of the input gets, just a second, this printf, this is the closing for that, and what is the closing of that, this. Okay, one curly braces is missing. Okay, just run it again. I hope, enter any lowercase string. So I am entering, let's say, PROFESSOR and I hope you can see it, this particular string in it lowercase. When I am going to press enter key, you can see that the uppercase conversion is that. Okay, it is not getting the correct one. Just a second, I hope we have missed something like that. Let me try to put line breaker here. Let me try to put some line breaker here. And here the new value of SI is like that, SI equals to SI minus 32, correct? This is going to convert one by one. Okay, just like just write one by one and enter any lowercase value, PROFESSORRAHULJAIN, and you can see that that much time it is converted into uppercase, and that much time it is also what happened. Okay, one by one it is converted, right? You can see that first particular P is converted into uppercase, thereafter R, thereafter O, thereafter F, thereafter E, thereafter double S, likewise that. And why it is so? Because this printf is lying in this, right? You can see this curly braces, and this curly braces is having ending here. That is why it is happening. So what should I do? I can remove this curly brace now, because only one single statement is there. So that time I am not going to say that much. This time PROFESSOR and RAHULJAIN, this time single statement, right? That particular lowercase into uppercase. It is a fun to solve some kind of you can say that what to say means debugging kind of thing, is very enjoyment of thing if you are getting interest into it, right? Okay, now this is what we have done, lowercase to uppercase. Now in the same case, if you want to convert uppercase to lowercase, right? If you want to convert uppercase to lowercase, then what we can do, we can ask user enter any uppercase string, and we only need to do some specific thing. Here we need to replace it with capital A, here we need to replace with capital Z, and here on the place of subtraction I need to put addition, correct? And we can write the lowercase conversion is this, right? And let me try to run it, and this time I am going to write it into, let's say, in lowercase, right? PROFESSOR. Okay, I am converting upper to lower, right? So in uppercase I am writing this time PROFESSORRAHULJAIN, and you can see the lowercase equivalent of it. Previously we have done lower to upper, this time we have done upper to lower, only there is a difference of 32. So I hope the concept is clear. Program is very easy, and if you are having any doubt, any confusion, any query in this program, please feel free to ask in comment section. And please subscribe our channel, do hit the like button, and stay tuned with us. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.